Window curtains come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be used to enhance the look of a room or to provide privacy. There are a number of factors to consider when choosing the best curtains for a room. One important factor is the type of window. Curtains that are hung on a pole or track work best for windows that have a straight top edge. If the window has a curved top, then curtains that are gathered or pleated will look better. The color and fabric of the curtains should also be considered. Bright colors can be used to create a cheerful atmosphere in a room. There are various types of curtains that can be used in the drawing room. The type of curtain which is chosen for a room depends on the purpose of the room and the type of interior design of the room. Have a look at the best curtains for drawing room in 2022. Curtains play a very important role in interior decoration. They not only add to the beauty of a room but also serve the purpose of blocking the sun and regulating the amount of light entering the room. Different types of curtains are available in the market, and it is important to choose the right type depending on the climate and the amount of light you want in the room. Some people prefer sheer curtains for their drawing rooms as they allow natural light to enter the room and also give a sense of spaciousness. Heavy curtains are better suited for winter as they keep out the cold and prevent the room from getting too dark. When it comes to curtains for the drawing room, there are many factors to consider. The main goal is to find the right style and color that will complement the room's decor while also providing privacy and insulation. Here are 7 of the best curtains for drawing room in 2022. 1. Fancy curtains. As the name implies, fancy window curtains are made from stylish fabric and textures. These curtains give a modern touch to your place and also enhance the living standard. The good thing is that fancy curtains come in a versatile range of colors, styles, and textures to choose from. These curtains not only give the minimalistic look to your place but also ensure high-end privacy. 2. Net curtains. Curtains made from net fabric give a stylish look to your place. Net curtains can filter the air in and give a cool environment in summer. You can also pair these curtains with blackout or velvet curtains to block out the light and noise. When you pair net curtains with some other curtains, they give a royal look to your place. 3. Country-style curtains. Country-style curtains are new in trend, as these curtains come in beautiful textures and patterns to choose from. You can install these curtains in your children's room or in your drawing room too. These beautifully installed curtains give a dramatic look to your place, and you can also customize the texture of these curtains according to your requirements. 4. European-style curtains. European-style curtains mostly come in the gold shade. These curtains give a royal look to your place when installed perfectly. The texture of these curtains complements the overall furnishing of your room and also provides a sense of luxuriousness to your place. These curtains come at an incredibly low price range. 5. Printed curtains. Printed curtains come in beautiful prints and textures to choose from. These curtains give a modern, stylish look to your place, and also the print of these curtains perfectly blends with your existing interior. These perfectly blended curtains not only enhance the look of your place but also provide high-end privacy and block out the light. 6. Jacquard-style curtains. Jacquard is a fancy fabric and in demand right now. Jacquard curtains give a fancy look to your place. These curtains require little maintenance and give a royal look to the place. Jacquard-style curtains come in a versatile range of colors, styles, and textures to choose from. The good thing is that the color of these curtains never fades even in the harsh sunlight. 7. Korean drawing room curtains. Korean-style curtains for the drawing room give a modern touch to your place. These curtains come in natural light colors with beautiful floral prints that enhance the overall appearance of your drawing room. The Korean-style curtains give a dramatic look to your place and come in rich colors and textures to choose from. Window curtains come in a variety of materials, colors, and styles. When it comes to the drawing, there are a few things you should keep in mind when choosing the best curtains for your space. The first thing to consider is the function of your curtains. If you want to use them for privacy, then you'll want to choose a heavy fabric that will block out most of the light. If you're looking for something more decorative, then you can choose lighter fabrics and patterns.